Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hi kids, welcome to my channel TA Educational Hub. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's move on today's video. Today we will learn about farm animals, and there would be a interesting quiz game at the end of the video. So please don't skip the video and watch till the end. Cow. Cow is a farm animal. Sheep. Sheep is also a farm animal. Goat. Goat is also a farm animal. Donkey. Donkey. Dog. Dog. Rabbit. It's a cute rabbit. Goose. Goose. Duck. Cat. Cat. It's a friendly cat. Horse. Horse. Beautiful peacock. Peacock. Hen. Hen. Rooster. Rooster. Hi kids, now there is a game quiz for you. Are you ready for the quiz game? Let's start. 3, 2, 1. Let's play. You have to guess the animal name. Yes, it likes to eat grass. It provides milk. It's a big farm animal. It makes the sound moo. Now you have to tell the name of the animal. Think, what is it? Yes, what is this animal about? Yes, it's cow. You are so genius. Let's move on to the next. It has feathers. Its baby is called a chick. It can lay eggs. It makes the sound cluck cluck. What is the name of this farm animal? You have to think and tell. Wow, you think well. It's a hen. You are so genius. Move to the next. It likes to eat grass. Its baby is called a lamb. It provides wool. It makes the sound ba ba. What's the name of this farm animal? Yes, you have to think and tell. Think. What's this farm animal? Yes, you are right. It's a sheep. Sheep is a farm animal. Move to the next. It has feathers. Its baby is called duckling. It has webbed feet. It makes the sound quack quack. Yes. Now you have to tell the name of the animal. Think. Yes. You think well. It's a duck. You are so genius. Move to the next. It runs fast. Its baby is called foal. It can be ridden. It makes the sound neigh. Now you tell the name of this farm animal. Think. What is the name of this farm animal? Yes, you are right. It's a horse. Horse is a farm animal. You did a great job. Next is, it's bigger than a chicken. Its baby is called a pout. It has huge feathers. It makes a sound gobble gobble. Now you have to think and tell the name of this farm animal. Think, think. Yes, you think right. It's a turkey. Turkey is a beautiful farm animal. You have done a good job. Here's a star for every one of you. Well done. A big clap for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe TA Educational Hub if you want to learn English easily. Allah Hafiz. Take care.